honey? Did you get to go to the fire station today? Your whole class, the Dolphins. Huh? Oh, did I make you mad? Well, I love you. We have a meeting and we're gonna be able to visit together, just you and me. And we can put... Okay, could you please turn off the TV? I can't hear you if the TV is on. I'd love to be able to talk to you when you eat your dinner. Hey! Hi! Did you get to go to the fire station today? You didn't? I saw the pictures and I didn't see your face. So I asked Miss Lori, it's like, was Caleb there? And she didn't know. So, but your class, the Dolphins, went to the fire station. So, thank you for turning off the TV. Now I can hear you. So good to see your cute little face.
I can't hear the movie.
I'm sorry. What you eating? Is it macaroni and cheese? Oh. Okay. Do you want to call me after dinner? That's fine. Here, I'll let you eat. Bye.